In nature, everything is related. The Earth's crust and its environment, including climate, water, soils, nutrients, flora, and fauna, interact with each other in time and space in endless and demonstrably self-perpetuating ways. In the meantime, humans have endeavored to explore nature by dividing it into convenient fields. This approach has given way to several natural sciences, among them geology, geomorphology, climatology, hydrology, and ecology. Over the past 2 centuries, the development of scientific fields has produced a wealth of knowledge. This knowledge has been forthcoming, but it has been at the expense of the holistic view. Over the past 3 decades, a new horizon is in place. It is no longer sufficient to concentrate on one science. Such an approach may achieve disciplinary wonders, but it fails to describe the interaction between two closely related fields, for instance, hydrology and ecology. The new paradigm is the interdisciplinary approach, which strives to connect related fields into a knowledge continuum seeking to describe nature in a more comprehensive, holistic way. Thus, the rise of the fields of ecohydrology and hydroclimatology. Ecohydrology studies the relations between flora and fauna and the hydrologic processes embodied in the water cycle. Plants and animals cannot exist without water, thus, the rationale for the study of the relations between them. These relations are at the crux of the relatively new science of ecohydrology. Climate and the hydrologic cycle interact with each other in a myriad of ways. Simply stated, one could not be described without the other. A case in point, does rain produce vegetation or does vegetation produce rain? This dichotomy is at the center of the science of hydroclimatology, the study of the relations between climate and water, including rivers, lakes, groundwater, and oceans. A step in the right direction is the new science of ecohydroclimatology, which is by definition a combination of ecohydrology and hydroclimatology. Flora and fauna interact with the surrounding geology, water, and climate in a variety of ways, too many and too complex to be aptly described with a disciplinary perspective. The fundamental aim of nature is stability, embodied in the concept of dynamic equilibrium, which recognizes the presence of change within an essentially stable system. Thus, ecohydroclimatology is the study of the relations between ecology, hydrology, and climatology, aimed at clarifying the natural laws that underpin dynamic equilibrium. This video explores concepts of geology, geomorphology, climatology, hydrology, and ecology with the objective of contributing to the development of a seamless interdisciplinary approach. The aim is to research the whys of nature, currently hiding at or near the limits between these disciplines. Relevant questions are likely to be answered under the new optics of ecohydroclimatology. It is posited here that geomorphology serves as the glue that ties the other fields together. Several practical examples have made the case for geomorphology a veritable one.